arms around me. If we stay here like this is the only place where I wanna be. This is as long as we go. I know you will be alright.
Alright guys, this is day 3 of the expedition. Heading up to Fort McMurray. We're officially past the 1,500 kilometer mark, and then a big 2,200 kilometer push south. Let's go.
Yeah, me too.
All right.
Grab a BK.
Oh yeah.
Grab some BK.
Some onion rings.
All right, friends, family, followers, people that hate me, people that like me. We're in Fort McMurray. What's up, Fort Mac? Been a while since I've been here. Some of it's missing. Recently, Fort McMurray kind of undergone some tough times. They were ravaged by fire not too long ago. And just a couple weeks ago, they started to flood, and the whole down section flooded that we're gonna drive through. So, Fort McMurray strong, baby. Fort McMurray strong. We did fuel up, and we topped up our jerry cans for the first time in this trip because we are heading very far north. So this is gonna be the furthest far. We're hoping to get as far as we can north, but again, when we were talking to some of the locals, they were saying that the weather and the wind or the weather and the water is just super high, so we might not be able to get to where we want to go. But yeah, hopefully we can get to where we need to go. Oh, I forgot to close Zeus's door.
Or is that just the pressure?
Oh, Jesus, man, that's definitely hot.
Back window?
But yeah, it's definitely not. It's not boiling.
I got one.
Good, cool.
I have one in my trailer.
Just keep an eye on it, and cause yeah,
There's nothing leaking underneath that you can see?
no, I didn't see any leaks. You got some condensation from your AC.
Yeah.
That's about it. So if it becomes an issue though, we'll go as far as we can. If you're getting concerned about it, we'll turn around. It's not a big deal. We don't want to be breaking.
Well, it's just weird pulling into the parking lot. All of a sudden I felt like Armstrong steering. So
Were you fully cranked when it did it?
Yeah, I was fully cranked and I was kind of going over. Yeah, I bet you it was just, I bet you there's some area.
It's also pretty warm. It's pretty warm, and we've been putting these things to the test, right? We've traveled over 2,000 miles. Yeah, we'll have to pay attention.
Oh yeah, bud.
We're in your neck of the woods. Sandy ass. Sandy ass Jeremy.
Sanders.
Sanders. Sars.
Sanders.
He's just having a time. Sand roads, baby, sand roads. This is awesome. This is so cool. So we're on a winter road, really, I'm not even kidding. This road's open throughout the winter. It's how Fort Chipewan and everybody else north of here gets their stuff. However, it is closed during the summer, and only quads and side-by-sides typically are able to get down here, but they never met our group, so we're getting it.
No, I did scrape hard there at one point.
What do you think, buddy?
This is awesome.
It's a good time.
Yeah, this is sick.
Okay, this is
Rick, what do you think of the Four Corners expedition so far?
Fucking loving it, baby. Holy cow, this is awesome.
It is awesome.
Right? You gotta get out here. You can do it with stock 4 runner. I'm sure you can do it with any stock vehicle as long as you got all-terrain vehicle. And all-wheel
4x4.
All-wheel drive. No 4x4 for this guy yet.
Here comes Jay. Jay, we're approaching our second corner
Okay,
and our farthest north point.
that's success if I see it. If I've ever seen it. That right there, that's success.
I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go until our fuel doesn't let us go anymore.
Okay.
Because there's no gas stations, there's nothing on this road whatsoever. Except for us and some quadders. There's no services here, so. All right. So, we've got some bad weather coming in. We got an extreme thunderstorm warning right now. We are about 40 kilometers south of the Athabasca Dunes. And we've got a stock 4Runner with us. One of Jeremy's buddy, Derek Sully Derek on Instagram if you want to check him out. He's going to be rigging up his truck. But yeah, we got an extreme thunderstorm warning coming in. So I kind of made the executive decision to camp here for the night. We've got still at least 2 hours to go back on the sand road here, but it is absolutely phenomenal out here. It was some epic wheeling to get in here. Man, we're doing it. This is rad. This is so cool. Very cool. Yeah. We're at Twin Lakes. That's where we are located currently, on some Crown land. We got a small fire pit that's sitting there, and a table, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's just beautiful out here, and miles and miles and miles of country. So day 3 is a wrap for driving. We're gonna set up camp, make some food, and it'll probably be a skinny camp because if the weather does turn, we want to be able to get out of here. So yeah.